guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm gonna talk about all the products that I got, all the makeup products that I got for this vacation. I got this cute bag which I stole from my sister, by the way. First up, let me just show you a bag. This bag is full of my liners and kajal, all the colors possibility that I could have got. What I thought is that I'm going to be, you know, taking out all the different colors every single day and I'm gonna wear that. That did not happen. Yeah, so these are all my blues and there are pinks, there are yellows, there are greens. I did not wear any of them. Those were all the liners, a bag full of liners. Can you imagine, for a 4-day vacation I got bag full of liner, full mascaras, colorful kajals, everything. Then of course I got these clips which I got from Zudio. Okay, and मैंने इसमें से पता है क्या पहना? I just wore one of this on one day. Of course, scrunchie तो must have ही है. I got a lot of cotton pads. God knows for what reason, क्योंकि मैंने बिल्कुल भी यूज नहीं किया. मुझे लगा कि मैं काफी मेकअप करूंगी, but मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं. Physicians Formula का eyeliner pen, which is very good. I wore it one day, but I have a few disappointments which I'll share in my video. Then of course, like I said, I got all the kajals, all the liners. I got this plum ka kajal as well. Got a concealer. Not one concealer, by the way. I got 2 concealers. I don't know why I got 2 concealers, one Swiss Beauty, one Maybelline Age Rewind. Got this beautiful Masaba lipstick which I got it from Nykaa on my birthday and I really like it. I enjoyed this. I wore this quite a bit as well. I wore it on my cheeks as well. Inside blush bhi मैंने काफी ही ज़्यादा use कर लिया. Then I got this old mascara from Too Faced. I use this for my brows. Like, this is quite dry and it gives a very nice finish. Can you see? Instantly it makes my brows. I don't think I need anything else if I have this. I got 2 sets of wet wipes. One is just the normal wet wipe and one is the makeup removing wet wipe. Although I use this quite a lot and I did not use this much. Got just one lip liner and I use this quite a bit. This is the Swiss Beauty lip liner and it's one of my favorite shade. This is called Cocoa Nude. Got one broken brush because मुझे space कम चाहिए था, so and this was really good, so I used this quite a bit too. Got these Miniso sponges. I thought these were travel friendly but they are useless. Then I got this Plum Ka body pit cream which was very handy and which was very good for the travel, because I used to I smell quite a lot and this area is quite humid as well. Of course, Maybelline Fit Me. This was a savior of a kind, I would say, because I needed to powder my face a lot because it was sweating the moment I would step up. Then I got these 2 lip shades. I did not quite use them. I used the Masaba one only. Okay, yeah, that's all I had for makeup and that was quite small, I'd say. I thought it would go on for a very long time, but yeah, that's all for my makeup bag. I hope you enjoyed it.